I'm rewatching Wednesday, playing some Tiny Towers, and I'm about to do some homework for my language of persuasion class because I have to make a PowerPoint because I'm probably presenting tomorrow. And then I need to work on some choir songs, make sure I have all the words memorized because I have like my notes memorized but not the words, which is really weird because normally it's the opposite. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I gotta do. And then I probably need to work on some psychology thing, like this one psychology paper, because I'm a little behind on it. Or like worksheet, not paper like essay, but like a worksheet paper. Yeah, so that's what I have to do today. But it's 6, I'm doing my laundry and I want to eat, or I just ate salad, so I don't know. So I'm working on my presentation right now and I'm about to run through my thing to see timing wise because it needs to be 10 to 12 minutes, so I probably will need to be talking slower. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do a whole presentation. I'm gonna be coughing the entire time. That is not good. I'm doing my laundry today, so my mattress is just kind of wide open right now. It's a little exposed and all my pillows are on the floor. Also, I finished a box of hot tamales, and I have a lot of like boxes of hot tamales just open in my room and they're still full, so I haven't done it yet. But I want to cut these out and put these somewhere. Why? I don't know, but I want to make like, what's it called, like a collage of just hot tamales. Again, I don't know why, but that's the goal. Like, imagine my whole wall is just lined with hot tamales. Again, I don't know why. I would like to specify that I do not know why, but I do need to grab a sheet soon. I have a canker sore right here, so my mouth hurts to talk. And then also inhaling kind of is hard because if I inhale too quickly, I start coughing really badly. It's weird. It's the next day. I've been coughing so much recently, and it's pretty bad. My voice, like my throat isn't sore, but like it's, I don't know, I think it sounds kind of sick. My breathing is also fine. Crisp, you know, it's nice, but my throat, like, because of the coughing, is a little like, blah, you know, but it's fine. It's whatever, I guess. Anyway, so the snow is gonna start melting pretty soon. I think it's not gonna snow for a while because I think the temperature, it doesn't get that low until night, and I don't think it's gonna like snow in the night, at least anytime soon. Also, I'm on my period now. I'm just thinking about that. So we're doing great out here. But yeah, my canker sore really sucks right now because it's like right here, and it's hard to like, this hurts, like this, stretching it out this way hurts. Up and down it's fine, but if I try to, if my teeth and my mouth separates, it hurts because it's like literally like if I take a finger and just poke it down to the very bottom, it's like right there. It sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this and you want to see more UWC video, bye. I'm really tired. I want to sleep right now. Also, I did my laundry, right? And like when I took it out of the laundry, it was like weird. It felt damp, but like I don't really know. But I kind of just went with it and brought my sheet up.